Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove a beard from any photo using Adobe Firefly's powerful generative fill feature. It's fast, easy, and super impressive, even if you've never edited a photo before. Step 1. Upload your photo. First things first, go to firefly.adobe.com and sign in with your Adobe account. Once you're in, click on Generative Fill and upload the photo that you want to edit. Step 2. Select the beard area. Now that the image is loaded, click on the lasso or brush tool from the left toolbar and carefully highlight the area where the beard is. Tip: try to be as precise as possible. You don't need to include the lips or jawline, just the beard area. Step 3. Use Generative Fill. Once the beard is selected, click the Generate button without typing any prompt. Let Adobe Firefly work its magic. Boom! Look at that! The beard is gone, and the skin looks completely natural. It's like the beard was never there. Step for review and refine. If the first result doesn't look quite right, no worries. Firefly usually gives you 2-3 variations. Just click through them and pick the best one. And if you need to tweak it further, you can reselect and regenerate until you're happy with the look. Step 5. Download the image. Once you're satisfied with the result, just click the download button at the top right corner to save your clean-shaven photo. And that's it. In just a couple of clicks, you've removed a beard like a pro using Adobe Firefly. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and drop a comment if you want to learn more about AI photo editing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.